Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, I'm here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful and unique creative DIY ideas that how you can decorate your handbags, clutches, purses, shoulder bags and any kind of ladies bags. Friends, these are very beautifully designed with hand embroidery, floral bouquets, floral patterns, and you must try these patterns to to beautify your already existing bags, clutches or handbags. So friends, kindly do follow these patterns. And one more thing, if you like the video, don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. While subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could be notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. One more thing and a humble request to you, that keep supporting us, keep watching our content, keep loving us like this as you always have been. Friends, very easy and very beautiful embroidery patterns have been used, and the last portion of our video contains very beautifully designed, very beautifully made handmade crochet flowers, and then they are stitched on the bags. So this video gives you two ideas that how you can make your ladies bags and give them a designer style touch by hand embroidery, and the second option with the crochet art by making crochet flowers and then stitching them onto your bags. So I hope that you like the video and you have liked my ideas and suggestions. So you can get all sort of amazing and classy stylish ideas related to women fashion from my channel. So we will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Until then, take care. Goodbye.